Okay, we got it going on. How you doing, Paul?
Where's the camera?
Pretty good.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
What we have is we have the United States Attorney put a motion in for a continuance, and there's two main reasons that they would ask for a continuance: is a witness is not showing up, or we believe it's most likely because they want more time. They want time to be able to answer the motion to dismiss that the Justice Foundation legal staff put in for us. Is a motion to dismiss that is very well written. Both attorneys that are on both Kent's case and my case are saying that they believe that that brief may be written in such a way and have such factual case precedent with it that it cannot be overcome by the United States Attorney, which means an automatic dismissal, which we've been told by the people that put that together. I read the brief, and it's written by well-trained attorneys. There's no mythology in it. It's all straight out case opinion. Basically, that the United States had no business claiming that our actions were fraudulent or mail fraud, because we are simply moving toward a future litigation. So we are basically using the mail for stepping stones to establish certain things that we are going to use in litigation. And the court says that anytime somebody is mailing or doing an activity to eventually get into litigation, they are not to convert that to a crime. They're not to convert it to fraud or mail fraud, because what that would do is that would scare people into trying to establish an opportunity to have their day in court. And the Supreme Court says we don't want nothing to do with that. We want to give them complete comfort and safety and peace of mind in doing that. So that's where we stand.
Okay, hey Paul, I got a question, a couple of questions actually. Can you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay, so you know that Tiffany Hope Eggers put in a motion for continuance around 4:30, 5 o'clock yesterday, and the Judge Margaret Casey Rodgers denied that motion of continuance around 7:30 or 8 o'clock last night. Has anything happened since then?
Yeah, they're going to. We're probably going to allow her to have that continuance.
Oh, I see.
Because we believe that that she's going to realize that they cannot prevail, and there's no reason to go to trial, and they will acquiesce.
Okay.
I think that's how you pronounce that.
Okay.
And because if we push the motion, we believe the judge is in a position to deny the motion, and the motion is written in such a way that we can appeal that motion and win in the higher level courts.
Okay.
And they probably don't want to go that route. They'd rather just call it quits now.
Okay.
So what we're recommending is that you put this on 2 Peter, your program, your website, and 2peter3.com.
Okay.
And tell people not to come Monday, because it's very likely it's selecting jury anyway. There's really no reason people have to be there. It's pretty much a boring day.
Okay.
And just wait till we get back that night to tell people if the case is going to run the next day or not.
Okay. Now, you're recommending that people not come because you're saying they will likely go through jury selection, but you're going to give continuance to the Tiffany Hope Eggers. If people want to be there for jury selection and they live locally, they could still come, and I might even go because I want to be there for jury selection. I just want to see how the process goes, and it's about an 11-hour drive. But if you think they'll have jury selection, do you think they will still have jury selection come Monday morning?
No, because they're going to ask us if we want to grant the continuance,
oh.
and I've got to say so to say yes or no, and Kent's attorney has already said yes.
Okay.
So it looks to me like it's a sure thing that
okay. I see.
That we're going to grant the continuance, and we will not go into any other process of selecting a jury or anything like that.
I see.
So the jurors will just be simply told to go home, and
okay.
we'll probably get a two-week continuance, or maybe 30 days continuance. Who knows? Maybe two months. We don't know. But
okay. Okay.
And then we believe the case will be dismissed.
Okay.
And
well, that's what we're going to pray for.
Yeah, we don't want to go to trial if we can get it dismissed on this way. There's no reason to go to trial.
Okay.
I don't think there's any reason for the United States to look at that brief and say that it's worth going to trial. I think we're gonna bring a lot of damaging things to them, I believe, if they go to trial. I don't think they're going to want to do that. My experience in studying this type of stuff in the past is that when you have a person in a position to put witnesses on and ask specific questions that might set the government way back in their agenda, they tend to say, let this one go. Let him go. He's going to hurt us way more. We don't want this can of worms opened. Let these guys go. Let's just spend our time on easier targets.
Okay. All right, Paul. So just to make sure that the message is clear, because there's lots of people that are planning on coming from New York, from Canada, from California. The message from you guys is it's best not to come at this point because you don't think anything significant is going to happen Monday. And I just want to make sure I'm clear on that message for anybody with travel plans.
Yeah, it appears to me like it's almost a sure thing the continuance is going to be granted.
Okay, and if that changes, of course, we'll get updates from you on Monday, and we'll let everybody know the new update come Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they've asked for continuance. Kent's attorney said yes. I'm going to say yes. So I don't even know if the judge could even stop it.
Okay.
It possibly could. The judge could, but I don't think there's any reason why the judge would stop it.
Okay.
Here's Ken if he wants to say a few words while you got him on.
Okay. All right. That sounds good.
All right. Thank you, brother.
All right.
So I think if you can get the word out to everybody and say if they can save the money and not come, it would be wise. There's a lot of people already here, so if we do go to jury selection, somebody else can take notes and document what happens. So since you coming all this way.
All right. Okay.
All right.
Okay, Pastor Hovind, we'll get the word out. God bless you. There's a lot of people praying for you, sir, and praying for brother Paul Hansen as well. So we want to see you out of there. But we're going to get this message out to everybody and let everybody know so they can make altercations to their travel plans if they need to.
Well, and this is what we've been praying for, that they would drop it. So.
Amen. Amen. That's going to be a glorious day when they do. So
I don't like the idea of more time in jail here, but hey, if it gets rid of this stupid charge, okay, yay.
Amen, amen.
Right. Thank you, brother.
Okay.
Should I call tonight then for Bible questions?
Yeah, we do have some Bible questions. I think Aaron and I are going to go have some dinner, but we'll be back tonight.
You should come try the jail food. You have an experience. It's unbelievable.
We need to get you some fruit.
Amen. All right. Thank you, brother. Talk to you later.
God bless you, Pastor Owen. Bye-bye.